Welcome back to Auto Dynasty, the ultimate destination for car lovers where power meets perfection and innovation never sleeps. Today we're diving into something truly special, the all-new next-generation 2026 Maserati MC20, a masterpiece that redefines Italian performance and elegance. Maserati has just unveiled its latest beast, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a complete revolution in supercar design and technology. The 2026 Maserati MC20 represents a bold leap forward for the brand, combining cutting-edge engineering with a design language that screams performance. The exterior immediately captures attention with its low-slung stance, sculpted curves, and aggressive aerodynamics. Every vent, line, and surface has a purpose: to slice through air with precision while maintaining that signature Maserati elegance. The redesigned front fascia now features sharper LED matrix headlights, a wider grille, and carbon fiber detailing that gives the car an unmistakable presence on the road. Under the hood, the new MC20 continues to house Maserati's legendary Nettuno V6 engine, but this time it's been re-engineered for more power and cleaner performance. The twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 now produces around 650 horsepower and 620 Nm of torque, making it even quicker off the line. The car can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 2.8 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 330 km/h. Maserati has also hinted at an all-electric full-bore variant, promising instant torque, futuristic acceleration, and zero emissions, a perfect balance between performance and responsibility. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that's as futuristic as it is luxurious. The cabin is wrapped in premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, reflecting Maserati's dedication to craftsmanship. The minimalist dashboard features dual digital displays for the driver and infotainment system, creating a cockpit-like feel. The flat-bottom steering wheel, integrated paddle shifters, and driver-focused ergonomics remind you that this machine was built for those who live for the thrill of driving. Performance isn't just about speed, it's about control, and Maserati has delivered. The 2026 MC20 features adaptive suspension, an advanced traction management system, and lightweight carbon monocoque construction. This ensures stability at high speeds and precision cornering, whether you're on the highway or tearing through the track. Maserati has truly found the sweet spot between comfort and raw power, making this car suitable for both daily drives and racing dreams. The 2026 Maserati MC20 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A return to Maserati's racing roots and a glimpse into its electrified future. It's a reminder that Italian craftsmanship and innovation still lead the world in automotive design. With its breathtaking looks, insane performance, and futuristic tech, this is the Maserati that sets new benchmarks for the next decade of supercars. So, what do you think about the new MC20? Has Maserati outdone itself once again? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Dynasty for more exclusive reviews, updates, and first looks at the world's most exciting cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.